Sawa ka na ba sa the usual? Level up your table with something new. Hindi lang pang snack, these dips and spreads can be your next food business idea, party highlight, or pang everyday indulgence. Baked spinach dip. Creamy, cheesy, at super comforting. Cheese pimiento. My best seller, classic Pinoy. Tinapa pate, smoky, silky, and proudly local. Spicy honey pepper spread. Sweet and spicy, pang-wow agad sa bisita. Chorizo ricado dip, bold, savory with Spanish vibes. Dulong in olive oil. Elegant, yet umaapaw ang Pinoy flavor. And lastly, the cheese balls. A creamy, savory cheese ball spread that's rich in flavor and perfect for dipping or spreading on crackers, bread, or veggies. Kung naghahanap ka ng bago for your food business menu, snack ng pamilya, then this class is for you. Join me at the Bailiwick Academy and let's make dips and spreads na hindi basta-basta.